It is a pleasant morning after yesterday's refreshing rain. Dr. Raghu and Maniram Chacha, uncle, have been invited to the school by the science teacher, Madam Sulekha, to facilitate an exciting nature walk. Dr. Raghu is a scientist at the nearby research laboratory and Maniram Chacha is an elderly person from a nearby community. Maniram Chacha is an expert in mimicking bird calls. He is also brilliant at identifying a variety of plants and animals to prepare them for the nature walk. Dr. Raghu informs the students that the objective of this walk is to experience the beauty and variety of plants and animals in the nature. The students are excited to join them. They are curious to interact and learn from them. The teacher advises the students to carry a notebook, a pen, and a water bottle. As they walk, they begin exploring the plants and animals around them. Dr. Raghu advises the students to notice the variety of smells in the park and emphasizes respecting all living creatures and observing them without disturbing. Maniram Chacha tells the students to not only observe different plants and animals, but also to carefully listen to different sounds. The students come across a variety of plants, including grasses, bushes, and large trees. They also observe a variety of birds sitting on the branches of trees, butterflies moving from flower to flower, and monkeys jumping from one tree to another. They record their observations in their notebooks and discuss them with Dr. Raghu and Maniram Chacha. The students can hear the chirping of birds. Dr. Raghu informs them that each bird has a unique chirp. This is an example of diversity in nature. Dr. Raghu requests Maniram Chacha to mimic calls of some birds. Maniram Chacha mimics different bird calls. The students enthusiastically start copying him. Have you ever observed different plants and animals around you? Share and discuss your observations with your friends and teacher. 2.1 Diversity in plants and animals around us. Activity 2.1. Let us explore and record. Plan a nature walk with your teacher to a park or a nearby forest. While on the nature walk, observe different plants, insects, birds, and other animals. Also, note the weather conditions, whether it is hot, cold, windy, and so on. You can collect different types of fallen leaves or flowers and create a scrapbook. Take care of the plants and animals in nature. Ensure that you do not disturb the plants and animals in the park. Do not pluck leaves and flowers. Record your observations in Table 2.1 about the features of stems, leaves, flowers, and anything interesting in various plants. Some examples have been given for you in Fig 2.1 and Table 2.1. A. Grass. B. Tulsi, holy basil. C. Hibiscus, gudhal. Fig 2.1. Examples of different features of some plants. Table 2.1. Observations of different plants around us. S. No local name of plant stem leaves, shape arrangement of leaves, flowers. Any other observations and features. 1. Common. Grass soft and thin, a single leaf grows. Alternatively from different points on the stem, green leaves. 2. Tulsi hard and thin arrangement of a pair of leaves. In the opposite directions, pinkish, purple. 3. Hibiscus hard. 4. Neem hard and thick leaves with smooth surface. 5. Any other. What similarities and differences did you find among the plants that you observed? You must have observed that plants have a variety of features such as tall, short, hard, soft stem, different shapes of leaves and their arrangement on the stem or branches, flowers varying in color, shape, and scent. Now, create a list of animals you observed during this walk or from your previous experiences. Record the places where they live, the food they eat, and the way they move. Around in Table 2.2, some examples have been provided for you. Table 2.2. Observations of different animals around us. Name of the animal, local name, place where they live, food they eat, the way they move around, any other observations and features. Crow tree insects fly and walk carrying a twig in its beak. Ant nest in soil and burrow leaves, seeds. And insects have 6 legs. Cow grasses, leaves, any other. What are the similarities and differences among the animals that you have observed and recorded in table 2.2? You would have observed that some animals live on land while some others live on trees. Birds live on trees. Fish live in water, and some animals like frogs live on land as well as in water. Animals consume a diverse range of foods and exhibit a variety of movements. Sketch the plants and animals observed by you in your notebook, or prepare a scrapbook with leaves, flowers from different plants and feathers from animals. Write all the details you have gathered about them. While traveling to and from school, observe your surroundings and look out for a variety of plants and animals. Add the name of any plant or animal that you have, not listed before in tables 2.1 and 2.2. Activity 2.2. Let us appreciate. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and think of one plant and one animal that you have closely observed and appreciated very much. Now each one of you can draw the plant and animal that you thought of on the blackboard. What are your observations about the various plants and animals that have been drawing? How many different plants and animals did the entire class draw on the blackboard? Do you think that there may be many more varieties of plants and animals other than those drawn on the board? The variety of plants and animals found in a particular region contributes to the biodiversity of that region. Each member in the biodiversity of a region has a different role to play. For example, trees provide food and shelter to some birds and other animals. Animals help in spreading seeds after eating fruits, and so on. Can you think of more such examples? This shows that plants and animals are dependent on each other.